Welcome to the myriad world of mustaches. Did you know that you would be imprisoned for shaving your mustache? Between 1950 to 1975, a soldier in British Army, if he shaves his mustache, he could be imprisoned because of breach of discipline. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Let's explore with me the myriad world of mustaches. By definition, what is a mustache? A mustache is a strip of hair left to be grown on your upper lip. Now, it is derived from two words, mustach, which is a Greek word, and mustachio, which is an Italian word. Finally, we got the final word as moustache, which is a French word. If we go back and look at the history of mustache, do you know that shaving was possible in Neolithic times? Yes, my dear friends, using stone razors, people used to get shaved. Also, during my research on this topic, I found that there are references in history that the fourth dynasty of Egyptian king or prince was shaved. Along with this, there is a reference showing that a shaved man, basically a horseman, in the history books around 300 BC, who belongs to the Iranian dynasty. So shaving has a long history. But shaving was popular when it was widely accepted by the military, especially the British. As you know, British conquered various parts of the world and brought that shaving habit to different regions around the world. And this is how, my dear friends, shaving and mustache became popular. One fun fact on this topic. During my research, I found that the trend of mustache or facial hair in general got rise with the saturation of marriage market. I found this very strange, and this is very well highlighted on Wikipedia too. How a mustache and saturation of marriage market are correlated, definitely I'm not able to figure out. Maybe some of you can shed light afterwards. Development and care of mustache. So as we know, mustache is a biological product. And being human, mustache or the growth of mustache is directly related to your genetic lineage, as in your family, your parents, how growth or the growth in their ages is directly related to your growth of mustache. Along with this, another factor is the factor of environment, where that person resides. This also affects the overall growth of your mustache. Also, the mustache can be tended, and there are huge or an ample variety of tools available to tend your mustache. Tend basically means to make it in order. So during my research, I found that there is mustache oil, mustache wax, mustache nets, mustache scissors, mustache brush, mustache combs, and one particular tool which I found very strange is this. It's a mustache special spoon. So when people used to have soups in their meal, just to make sure that their mustache are intact and not getting dirty, this special stool, my dear friend, was developed. And as you can see here, there is an opening in the spoon which get contact with your lips to drink the soup. And this portion is open altogether, where you can fill in your spoon or servings. So this was very strange and I found it very unique and thought to share with you. Moving on, another fun fact. Do you know that there is a world championship of mustache? Lastly, it was held in 2019 in Belgium. As you know, a world championship. So definitely there are a set of rules associated with world championship. Along with this, there is a huge or a set of styles of mustache where each candidate or each participant is ranked. Few of the styles, let's see. One is natural style. As the name suggests, it's natural. So as you can see in the picture, the mustache is grown naturally and the tending or the amount of effort put to make it in order is less. So this is one area or one category in the competition. Second is Dali style. This has got famous because of Salvador Dali, who was a Spanish artist. And also, if you have seen the so-called Money Heist series, it's this way. In this, the mustache are trimmed well here on the upper lips and it grows upward. Very unique style, very catchy style. The next style is the English style, where the mustache are kind of bushy here on the upper lips, but they are stretched like this. Very interesting again. The next style is the Imperial style. This is a short mustache, not a long one. And as you can see, it needs tending. So it grows upward. Looks really royal. That's why the name Imperial style. The next is the Hungarian style, where the mustache grows like this. It's not like Dali, because if you see, it's very bushy on the upper lips and very unique. Next is freestyle, where the mustache can be grown in any fashion. Also, there is one fun fact. Do you know the longest mustache? The person record is with an Indian, and his name is Ram Singh Chauhan, and his length was 14 feet. Just imagine one floor height. With this, I know life is like a mustache. It can be wonderful or terrible, but it always tickle. Over to you.